Back in the country again. Welcome again, my Jamaican life. My cousin Gav making up some good Jamaican sweet potato pudding. He's doing the nutmeg in there now. So I'm gonna tell you what's in there. It's this right here, sweet potato. Look like Korean yams. This is the Jamaican sweet one type of Jamaican sweet potato. And he grated that. He had some butter in there. He had some flour, some sugar, nutmeg, vanilla. He also put some wine in there, okay, and some butter. Raisins. No, and raisins. So he's gonna mix that up now. He's mixing it up, stirring it all up. And guess how he's gonna make this, guys? He's gonna make this on an open fire outdoor. You'll be like, it's gonna burn. Oh no. Motherfucker bought a piece yesterday. So yeah, my grandmother used to do this, man. You know, we used to take this here for lunch, man. We call it porn.
Yeah, porn.
This was lunch. But you know what? This is nice. It's nice with some hot tea in the morning. Hot tea in the morning in a piece, man. Wow. So he put all this work into it, all the mixture in it. I'm sorry I never came when he was doing it from scratch. Yeah, but he grated the potatoes. And let me show you the grater that he used. Put the grater there again. So this the grater he used. Can you imagine? And he does it all by hand. No blending. All by hand.
So the only dairy is the butter.
Yeah.
Yes. No eggs.
Okay.
We don't add eggs, but we don't put no eggs today. Damn it.
You put the butter on other side.
You never put butter. You just want, yeah.
Just one piece.
We normally don't use butter, but just a little bit so you can have it. So this the grater. All by hand, folks. All by hand. You can smell it, man. Look at him tasting it. It's natural stuff. How was it? Yeah. Need some more sugar?
Yeah, look at more sugar.
Look at more sugar. Yep. So he put the real Jamaican sugar cane, the real stuff. Yeah, there's a case here. Yeah, there's a pack. No, I didn't bring it down. There's a pack of sugar here.
You can use that one. She did buy another one though.
Yeah, you can use the one that's here.
Yeah, use that one.
We did buy one last night.
Yes,
Is it upstairs? No, it should come down in the... Yeah. Yeah, that one was open, right?
Yeah.
But we bought another one last night. It should be here. Yeah, another one last night. So adding more sugar to it. And stir that all around. Shoot, I need to go get dressed. Oh, you want I salvage that, you right, Gav? I'm breadfruit. Wait, you want some more breadfruit? I'm taking another slice when I come back.
You know, I know more, Nikki.
Yes.
Yeah, bust up a piece.
Make more something.
I got bust up a piece. But yeah, man, this is gonna be so good when it's done, man. Sweet potato pudding, y'all. It's gonna say voila. Putting that mix into it. We'll grab another slice of breadfruit and we got some. Baby, you want some ackee too? Nikki, ackee? Hmm?
Yeah.
Some ackee over there. Have a piece of paper napkin. You know what? Grab a little plate right there. That little plate. Right there. The little plate. Come over here. This is ackee. Over here. Get me a piece of that in a second too. Good? Alright. Looking crispy. Man, in America you be paying $10 for a can of ackee. Here it's thrown in the dogs. It's just everywhere. And look at him. He's that swap powder, right? Yeah. We use the dirt or the ashes. So he's gonna coat the bottom of the pot so it doesn't burn. It doesn't turn black. Yes, some buy some swap powder too, you know. I used to use the acid or dirt, ash or dirt. So when you use that, and the pot go under, it doesn't come off black, just washed off easily. Tricks of the trade, huh? You come to somebody's house in Jamaica and their pot is black, people talk shit about them. So nobody want to have no black pots. His pots are so black and dirty. I'm not eating from him. So this is a way, you know, when it's time to wash, your pot come out clean. Because if not, it's going to be black, real black. Not even dark, just black. Yeah, man. And this is him. I haven't done this in a long time. Pretend like you don't know what he's doing. Do he look like somebody who knows what he's doing, y'all? He know what he's doing. Look at this sweet potato pie. I want to see when he pour it in. Oh, he put it in. Take your time, man. Take your time. And we're going to put it in this fire over here. Yeah, man. Straight Jamaican life, yo. Oh, he going to get some banana leaf. So, damn, look where you going, yo. Over here. Some banana leaf. Yeah, I forgot my grandmother used to use some banana leaf. So he's in the bush right there getting the banana leaf. Look at all these goddamn banana trees, yo. Look at all that. Banana trees like crazy. So he's getting banana leaf. I hear some birds. Some parakeets. Remember when I was living here as a kid? Never have a damn goddamn television. Now we just throwing away TVs. Throwing TVs away. I think I saw 2 TVs just throw away. It's crazy. Yeah, he's coming back. He's getting the banana leaf. I don't know why he got to go so far. Yep. Yeah, here he comes. But yeah, you put it on the banana leaf. Something another with that. Here he comes. Here he comes. You're getting some more banana leaf. Yep. So we are going to learn today, because I haven't done this in a long time myself. I forgot how this shit was done. So we are going to learn together. As I hold a banana leaf that might, cover it up and thing. Yeah. So we're in the countryside, Manchester, Jamaica. This is South Manchester. 12 miles from Mandeville. After this, we're about to go to the ocean. We're about to get some fresh fish to my wife. Yeah. Splash of water from the bucket. Some water on the bottom. Splash at the bottom of it. Alright. So you're going to put the pot on, set it. It's going to burn out. See we're doing that. See how quick that pot get hot. I can guarantee you right now it's already hot. Shoot. So you put the banana leaf in. Look at the banana leaf start to change color. It start to change to a different type of green. Babe, and look at this. Where are you? This is real stuff, y'all. Wait. Oh, coil the leaf first. So he's coiling the leaves. You get a crisp color on it first.
Oh, wait, are you going to wrap that in the leaf?
Yeah. No, he's going to use it to coat it.
Oh, okay.
I did this roast bird fruit this morning. Oh, you're going to use the chiffon to, so you just slide out.
Nicky, go for your coconut oil. We could use the coconut oil.
You have the coconut oil in there, please?
Right, cool.
Coconut oil?
Yeah.
The oil.
Coconut oil, yeah.
Right, cool. Nicky, not
Oh yeah, like how you use the butter, we're going to use the coconut oil. Something in the bottom of the slippers, yeah, stick me. So use a little oil to grease the pot. Yep. Yeah, man. We don't normally do this outside because this takes a lot of, if you use your electricity or your gas, it takes a long time. It costs money. This is not like America where gas is like a little bit cheaper. Here, this shit is expensive. You hear me? Very expensive. Yeah, man. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Yeah, man. Jamerican life, you know? I've been in America for 25 years, folks. But every time I come back home, it's like it's just brand new to me. Just can never get old. Try to come home every 2 years, or as often as I can. Yeah, I live in the city for half my 10 years, in the country for 10 years, live in America for 25 years. So most of my life I'm in America, but I always come back home. Yep, never leave home. Yep, my kids are American, my wife is American, American Filipino. My baby crushing some ackee and saltfish and breadfruit. She be killing it, tearing it up. Tear it up!
Filipino and African American.
I did say Filipino.
African American.
I'm sorry, yeah, can't leave the black out, yo. Can't leave the black out, yo. Sorry, baby. Oh, yep. Love you, boo. Yep, so back to him now. He's coating the pot. You want me to carry the potato pudding out there? Are you? Alright, man, carry. Babe, can you hand me the potato pudding? Oh, after you finish. Can you hand me the pudding when you finish? Look at that fire, it's just going, just raising. The breeze is just nice. That's what I like with Jamaica. Folks, it could be hot, but the breeze is blowing. You know, that's all you need. But you go under a tree, just nice and cool, man, relaxing. Let me get this one, my baby.
Heavy.
I got it. Yeah. Take your time, man. Remember, people used to come to school and sell us piece of pudding for lunch. But these are the days, man. These are the real days, man. So we're gonna watch how he set this on the fire, folks. So he's setting that up, right? So when he finished, set that up. Yeah.
Give me that now.
You want this? All right. It's starting to get heavy in my hand. He got the good stuff there going in now. Look how we drop it in. But it's sink when it's bake, right, Gav? It's sink.
Yeah, man.
It drop and yeah, just like all baking, folks. It's sink. You know, it drops. Drops. It's good to go. So we're gonna put it on this fire over here. Need to get ready because we're going to the ocean in a bit. Eh? Okay, cool. You said I gotta watch it, make sure there's no insect going there or anything. So yeah, look at it, man. This is it. Wow. Real sweet potato. I know I'm gonna crush this blood seed. I'm gonna destroy this. Put some browning in there too. Guys, he also add some browning for coloring. You know, this is just for coloring. Babe, it's like my kitchen right here, right? You see everything we get to sell my youth, everything we get to buy over. You see what I'm saying? There's certain things we like when we can't get over. You understand? But when we come and get the real ingredients, because it's a lot of the stuff that they, you know, Jamaica be outsourcing their products too. You know what I mean by that? They be sending this shit to me and make in other countries.
Oh, they must send it after that.
Yeah, so those stuff I don't, you know, I read the bottle. If it's not made here, I don't want it. No way. I don't want it. Has to be made here. If it's not made here, it's not Jamaican. You feel me? Need the real, authentic. One thing I know they can't make anywhere else, and that's the jerk sauce. Real jerk sauce come from here. Real scotchy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Up in it, and it's not even that. Remind me, y'all, to buy the Harrison staple today. You hear me?
Yeah.
I want to lock that door. All right, it's good to go, folks. He said, ready to roll.
More salt tonight, no?
You just want a pinch of salt, man. You don't need all that much salt. Black people, you know, salt be killing black people. You know that, Nikki, right? Salt be killing black people. But you know, I was talking to Gav yesterday, and he don't do black pepper. And I'm gonna do a video on that. I'm gonna do another video on that because Auntie Carl doesn't do black pepper. A lot of Jamaicans, I know, I was watching some, you know what I mean, some Jamaican video, and they don't do black pepper. They just cut back on black pepper. Eh? But I also know a lot of folks don't do black pepper, and I'm trying to figure out why. But it's good to see young people thinking healthy, you know what I'm saying? Here it goes, folks. There it goes. There it goes. Look at that. Oh, you wasting it, man. Don't waste the food, man. All right, you get it in. Look at that. All right. Show it in. Pour it in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is some good stuff, folks. This is good stuff. Yeah, man. Jamaican Jermaine is here. I'm sorry, Jamerican Jermaine. Yeah, man.
So,
I got to bake a next pot.
but maybe not today. So,
Okay, you're going to see that for your next. Yeah. So you're going to put the pot cover like that.
Yeah.
And he's going to put some fire on top of that. Baby, look what he's doing. He's going to put the pot cover on top, right?
Yeah.
And he's going to put more charcoal on top of it. So it's he's going to put wood and
From the top and the bottom.
there you go. I remember Gigi bought this oven from Carnation Market. It lasts for a while. Yeah, man. Real thing, this.
So what does the banana leaf do?
So when it's time to come out,
when
it just comes right out.
Yeah.
It doesn't stick to the bottom.
You know, stick, pan it, you know, stick.
Got you. Like foil,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it just come right out.
but natural.
Natural. There you go. Yeah. The fire not too high under the bottom.
That fire high.
Okay, he's gonna fix the fire. He can adjust it.
Yeah.
So I was watching your Ras Kitchen with Matthew. I love that channel, man. That inspires me. Respect Matthew. I don't agree with everything he said, but he's a cool dude. Respect. I'm sorry. Respect Ras Marco. And the way Ras Marco hung with the fire, you know what I mean? And Matthew was like, "Damn, you hung with the wood fire. Look what he's doing, breaking off pieces of that." Gonna set it right. So I'm gonna save the rest for your next day. So my wife always see me hold a piece of fire and she always say, "Baby's gonna burn you." Been doing this since I was a kid. I was born in this life, right, girl?
Yeah.
Hold fire with my hands. Okay, you're gonna cover the top too. Damn. See that, baby? Cover the top. The thing with this now, it's gonna shrink. You know like when you're baking and it shrinks. No, I know it's not gonna shrink much. Okay. God, this is a pop chow plant right here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I know, man. So he's putting more stuff on the top so it doesn't burn. Like a cushion not to burn. Ain't this amazing, folks? Don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe, all right? To grow this channel because it's good quality. When I get back home, I'm going to be doing some other stuff, so I do the Jamaican side, I do the American side. I'm going to go to my other side where my father is from. I'm going to take you guys to Kingston where I actually grew up. I grew up here the first 10 years of my life, and then I moved to Kingston. Let me tell you, man, Kingston was no freaking joke, yo. That's where I really become a man, for real. It was crazy in Kingston, but I love it. I wouldn't change it for nothing. That's my city. Love it. Yeah, man. I was born in Kingston, raised in Manchester, went back to Kingston, live. Go to high school in Kingston, all that. Love it. Love it. I went to school in Trenchtown where Bob Marley's from. Not where he's from, where he became famous from. He's actually born in St. Anne's. So he says he's making a thing on top of that. Huh?
Keep burning.
It's gonna keep on burning.
So it's cook on top.
So it's cooking on top and from bottom. Amazing stuff. Alright, so folks, we're gonna come back later on when it's all done and we're gonna check on it later, okay? So guys, please be sure to watch, share, and subscribe, okay? My Jamerican Life, yeah man, just look it up, okay? Love you guys. See y'all later. Bye.